didn't need to download it. Ooh. Select V2 to V8. Click the Insert tab. And the pies group, click the 2D pie. The first one. Move the mouse pointer to the largest slice. The screen tip shows Series 1.1 value. 2010, 39% as shown in figure 12.2. Point to the second largest slice and you'll see that the value is 1575, which is the amount for the total. Either the column labeled 2010 or the total sales amount should be included as pie slices. Click in the chart's white space and press delete. The chart is now deleted and the Chart Tools tab disappears. Select B3 to B7. Click the Insert tab in the Charts group. Click Pie. And then click the first 2D pie chart. Click in the chart's white space and press delete. Select A2 to B7. Click the Insert tab and click Pie in the Charts group. Click the first 2D pie chart. Move the mouse pointer to a blank spot within the chart and drag the chart to move it below the data. Click the outside of the chart. Click File and then Print. Notice that the annual sales data appears with the chart on the page. Press Escape and then click on the chart. And choose File, Print. Now notice that the chart appears by itself. Create a Lesson 12 folder and save the workbook as 12 chart solution. You have to save it. Click in the white space on the chart to select it. On the Design tab, click the Move Chart button. In the Move Chart dialog box, click in the New Sheet box and type 2010 pie to create the name of your new chart sheet. Click OK. The chart becomes a separate sheet in the workbook. Click on the Data Worksheet tab to return to the data portion of the workbook. Save the workbook. Charts solution. Done.